Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take it and then spread it from the top like this. Draw the lines over it using the spatula. Now spread it like this from the top as well and then remove the excess from it. Now draw the lines on it using the sides of the spatula like this. Draw it carefully and shown in the video. Now cover it from the top like this. Spread it carefully. Now spread it from the sides as well. Now draw the lines as we are drawing here. Draw the lines carefully. Make it stem like this and then make the equal base like this. Now make the leaves on the sides as we are making it. Put the side part of the flower nibs little bit up so that it looks a 3D look like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the cement and then plaster it on the wall like this. Now spread it using the spatula and then make the lines on the top like this. Spread it carefully as shown in the video. Now watch the technique, how we are drawing the lines on it and how we are spreading it on the wall. Now draw the lines over it like this. Draw the patterns very carefully. Fix it from the top like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Moving on to next art. So apply the cement and then make a little broad shape like this. Now using the spatula, draw the lines on it on the sides. Draw the lines very carefully as shown in the video as a feather like this. Now after that we can decorate it further, otherwise it's ready. Next, take the cement or the plaster and then apply it on the wall like this and then draw the lines like this using the spatula. Spread the plaster over the wall and then give the pattern using the spatula like this. Draw the lines on it from the sides of it as shown in the video. Thanks for watching our video.